video is motor driver simulation in the Proteus software, that is schematic. First of all, like the previous video, we have to create a new project. For the new project, we have to give in the name whatever we want, and we have to save in a particular path. After that, click on next, finish. This is how a blank schematic will be created. And then in the parts, we have to search for the components which are needed to build a motor driver. First of all, l293d IC, the 18-pin holder, IC holder, and then next we'll search for a battery. After battery, we'll search for T block for input and output purpose. 2-pin T block and 4-pin T block. 2-pin T block means input and 4-pin T blocks means the output. And then next 7805 regulator. After 7805, we'll search for a resistor. After that, we search for the LED red also for the power supply checking. If power supply is generated, then LED is for the purpose. These are the components we are using to build a motor driver. First of all, we have to place a battery, and next l293d IC. This is how it looks like. And next a red LED resistor. There is a 7805 regulator also, voltage regulator. And next a red LED, next resistor. We have to place each and every component, whatever search for in the parts that should be added to the schematic. First, battery positive to the 7805 regulator, and from that we have to connect to the motor driver 10th pin, that means VSS, and ground to the ground. Battery negative to the ground also. This is how we connect battery positive to the 10th pin of l293d IC. And next we have to join enable 1 and enable 2 pins of l293d motor driver, and 7805 regulator to the resistor 1 end. Resistor should be 180 ohms, and it should be joined to the LED also. After that 7805 output should be connected to the enable 1 and enable 2, that means 8th and 9th pins of a motor driver. And next we'll place a motor for checking purpose. is it working or not, that if the motor driver is working or not. For that checking purpose we add the motor. We add 2 motor, that means we have 4 output pins, 2 pins for one motor and 2 pins for another motor, like 2 motors should be connected. Should be one 2 pins for positive and negative of a motor, and another 2 pins for, that means 3 6 for one motor, 11 14 for another motor, and enable 1 and enable 2 both should be joined, and this should be added to the 7805 output. And next battery positive is added to the 10th and 8th pins, and next we are added logic to, that means 0 and 1 is the logics of the motor driver. There are 2 logics, 0 0 1 0 1. First one is 0, we'll add it to the second pin, and next another logic will be added to the 4 logic should be used. First one is connected to second one, and second one is connected to first 7th pin. 4 logics, 0 0 0 0 0 1 1 0, like that 4 logics we have. 4 logic should be connected to the 4 pins, 2 7 10 15. These are the 4 logic should be connected to the 4 pins of an l293